Alright, everybody, so as you can see, I just finished washing my hair. And I feel like I've been in denial for so long, thinking, my hair is not that bad, but I really feel like I might have to big chop my hair because I have been trying to do different things. I've been trying to keep my hair stretched. I've been, like, pretty much what a lot of people are saying, keep your hair stretched. Try not to do your hair as often. Don't over manipulate. So I've been keeping my hair stretched. I've been trying to do wash days every 2 weeks. And I've even been trying to not style my hair, like in the middle of the week, not retwisting, not rebraiding, not remoisturizing, and just kind of spraying like a refresher spray or just some water around my hair and trying not to over manipulate it. And as I was rinsing out my hair just now, rinsing the deep conditioner and whatnot, I can literally feel like it feels like the ends of my hair. I don't know how to describe it, but it just feels like pretty much how to describe it in the best way possible. The root of my hair to like the middle part of my hair, it felt smooth. It felt like, it felt conditioned. And then the ends just felt so rough. Like I'm like literally doing this and going like, why do my ends feel that way? And as I'm rinsing out the deep conditioner, I can literally see like pieces of my hair in my hand, and all them pieces were split and just had a bunch of single strand knots, and it looked crazy. So now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to nurse my hair back to health as much as I can, because as right now I can't afford to go to no stylist right now. They be charging like whatever. I can't afford to go to a professional right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to, between now and March, I'm gonna try to nurse my hair back to health. And I want to try to keep my hair for my wedding in February. So I have until March. And if I'm not able to nurse my hair back to health, at least as much as I possibly can, I'm starting over. I'm gonna cut my hair because I feel like it's not working. Nothing is working. So for right now, I'm gonna go back to, washing once a week. I'm gonna go back to only blow drying my hair maybe once a month, or maybe once every other month, just to, do my little length check or whatever that I used to do back in the day. But for right now, I think I'm gonna just prioritize moisturizing my hair and trying to, gradually cut off the split ends and single strand knots and see if I can nurse my hair back to health. If not, I'm starting over. I'm gonna cut it off. I'm not gonna go bald, like I'm not gonna do like a buzz cut or nothing, but I think I'm gonna do like maybe a short fro and start over like that way. And just see, try something new. If you guys have any advice, let me know in the comments, please. I need help.